I'm very upset right now. So hi, what's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sporting this look, loving it. So today I just basically wanted to do a look on my short hair. I've just recently cut my hair and I just wanted to come here and just, you know, showcase my 5 head, you know, with the dip. You know, I've been really honestly loving my cut. And okay, so this little went out video of mine, I'm going to try out a few new products that I've purchased actually quite a while back. I'm really on sale. I don't remember for how much, but yeah, it was not definitely, I didn't pay full price for this. It was maybe probably like 200 rands off or 150 off, something like that. And then I also went ahead and tried and bought so there was a promotion going on Superbalist at the time. So I went ahead and got the Revlon Prime Plus, a photo ready smoothing, perfecting and smoothing primer. So yeah, looking forward to trying this. And then I also went ahead and bought this the Candid Range photo ready anti-pollution setting powder. So yeah, I'm gonna be trying a couple of new products. And then also I tried the Revlon Skin Light bronzer. I'm gonna use it as a highlight. Hopefully it's not too harsh. But yeah, it is taking a bit. Yeah, so I'm not sure how it's gonna work out. I have not opened it, so hopefully it doesn't. Oh my god, it's gonna come out, so I gotta handle it with care. Yeah, so it is broken, like the whole entire block is detached from. Let me just try open it. I hate packaging like this. It's just coming out in bits instead of the whole thing. And then it leaves like these thingies on here, and then it's sticky and it just makes your product look not so nice. So let's even more careful. I'm very upset right now. So if a product is like this, then it's probably won't last you forever. I'll try my best to handle it with care, but so annoying. kind of look. I've been wanting to try this for the longest time, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to draw my liner and then smoke it. Blending is my cardio. But diffuse it a lot. A lot. I'm gonna go ahead and use a brush to apply it all over my skin. The shade is not completely blended out nicely. It's still just like chilling the air. It's a way harsh. So it's blending out. Right? So just try and work it in with this brush right here. Okay, to make sure that okay. It's like I took it away from some areas. Like the application is not that amazing. Like I don't know, just something is amiss. And the eyeshadow look is just totally different from what I had in mind initially. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna use this concealer right here to conceal. I'm gonna be hella contour today. I guess I have to go ahead and brighten my entire face because honey bunch, you're gonna put a lot. Contour the shit out of his face. Like, I'm not even playing right now. Just leave balance like that. I run way too much, like. This one right here because I can't find the other one, the lighter one from. So I'm just going to dab because I can't find the other one. So I'm just re-brightening of the eye. I think I need some here as well. I need some here as well. Back. It's just not a lot, it's just a little bit. It's definitely full coverage. It's giving me skin. It's definitely like out there, and I think it's gonna turn out really good, you know? I think the concealer definitely made the foundation way better. I'm liking it. I'm really loving it. Okay, I think I'm kind of happy with what's going on. I'm just gonna go ahead and just set the rest of my face with this powder, and then contour, and then focus on the eyes again. So all over the place. So I had an idea of using a powder blush situation, no, a wet blush situation, but I forgot to apply it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my eyeshadow as so I'm just gonna go ahead and dust off all of this. Oh my god, it's so fucking dry. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and use my MAC kind of fix my face. You know, I may have fucked it up a bit, just a little bit, but yeah. The contour is way harsh. Ooh, the contour is like hella harsh. This is a lot of makeup I have over here. So let me just go ahead and do my neck end as well because wow. That's a lot. It is a lot. Just really besides this one over here. This color right here is my blush. So, and I have a feeling today I'm gonna need a lot of it. A lot. I'm just gonna try and dabble into both and blend it in there some way. Whatever. Oh, the other one then. The other one. Oh my god. Spotting this look, loving it. So today